Welcome to the what used to be the shop. Right now it's just has no ceiling, and I put some stuff up so it looks like a shop, but it's really not that much left of it. There's a good reason for that. My house burned down. So in 2021 we had a fire in the kitchen of the house. The whole backside of the house is gone. We need to rebuild it, but money's kind of a problem right now. And to solve that, I decided to make some t-shirts. So these are, I have a graphic made by my wife. It starts with our house. So this is actually the outline of our house. Then you get fire, which, you know, that makes sense. And we end with a bear, which is not just a bear. It's a phoenix bear. So it has wings. Wings made out of fire. And of course we have the new NoPro logo all the way up top. So this is the smallest one, so it's kind of small for me. But we have them all the way up to 5XL. So even if you're a fat fuck like me, or maybe even bigger, you can just wear these. They were made in Germany over at Fairtrade Merch, so you can be sure that it's ethically made and that it's not damaging to the environment. Of course, I am damaging to the environment, but the shirt is not. So buy the shirt, not me. That's the best way to do it. So if you want to support us having a house again and not just a shell, buy a shirt. I will bring in as many of them as I can fit in the car to the Winterclash. So if you're there, try and find me. I'm probably going to be walking around. On the day of the finals, I will be at a camera. So I will try to keep somebody close with me who can just have the box of shirts or something. And you can pick them up there. It's 35 euros. Cash is king, but if you want to transfer money, that's all right. But we shouldn't have it all too convoluted. So if you have cash, that's the best way to do it, because I can just go to the bank and deposit it. So thank you for joining me in this area, and I'll see you at Winterclash. Ciao, ciao.
Fire. Living in a little box. No place left to hide. Got to keep going. Fire. I've got to keep going. I have to be strong. Fire. It ruined it all. There went my life. We need a new house. Fire.
My house was on fire. My house was on fire. Everything ruined. Every possession. My house was on fire. My house was on fire. Now strap for cash. Enter depression.
Fire. So here we are, demolishing. Prices rising high. 100,000 left. I can't rebuild this place. So buy this beer on a shirt. I'll kiss you on the face. Fire.